Budget Secretary Emilia Pangandaman clarified that the budget allocated for unprogrammed funds serve as a standby fund intended for unforeseen costs related to essential programs and other projects. She emphasized that the presence of unprogrammed funds does not violate any laws. This statement came in response to a petition filed by Albay 1st District Representative Edsel Lagman challenging the legality of the said fund.
Our definition, hindi po siya unconstitutional.
Why?
Kasi nga po, hindi po siya kasama dun sa talagang budget na mangyayari lang po siya pag may mga certain triggers na mangyari.
Oo.
Pero yan po yung understanding namin.
The Department of Budget and Management or DBM maintains that unprogrammed funds are not unconstitutional as they are not part of the General Appropriations Act or the national budget. The DBM official added that the unprogrammed items in the 2024 budget will only be allocated if specific conditions are met, such as the availability of extra or surplus revenue through the Bureau of Treasury.
Yung unprogrammed appropriations po, kaya po siya unprogrammed, hindi po namin na-estimate, na-project with the DOF, the DBCC, kung saan kukunin pa yung budget para doon. So we consider it as a standby appropriation. Meaning, may triggers po siya bago ma-release yung projects or projects under that item.
The government is prepared to address inquiries regarding the unprogrammed funds included in the 5.768 trillion peso national budget for this year. Presidential Communications Secretary Cheloy Garafil also stated that the executive branch is ready to submit a response to the petition if the Supreme Court issues such an order. Jed Neresina, UNTV News and Rescue. We serve the people, we give glory to God.